So we got a call for a roof leak, and I came out and inspected this house and found it was leaking around the dormer that they had on the front of the house. While I was looking at the roof, I noticed that they had major hail damage. It was a very significant storm that had passed over the house in May. And they got golf ball to tennis ball size hail that really tore the shingle up. So initially we did repair the dormer so that it would stop leaking and stop damaging the sheetrock inside of the customer's house. But then the customer wanted to proceed forward, file an insurance claim. So adjuster did come out, inspected the roof. They looked at it on all four sides, and they found hundreds and hundreds of hits. They completely covered the roof. And today we're out here replacing it. First thing we get here, we put down tarps around the house to protect the ground so that nails and trash don't get embedded in the dirt. The guys are popping a chalk line all around the house so that we can stay on track when we're installing our shingles. So we have nice straight rows of shingles all the way up the roof. It's a really important detail that we definitely don't want to cut a corner on. Another thing that we do that's really important is we take a lot of photos. So when I come out and do an inspection, I usually take 50 to 100 photos right off the bat of all sides of the house, from the ground, the front, the corner, the side, the back. In the future, if I need to look something up, I already have it in my phone. I can already see what we're talking about. And insurance requires proof in many cases that a certain item was on the roof so that they'll pay for it. And we put it in our CRM. We keep it on file, so if we ever need to revisit something or look at how something has aged over a 5 or 10 year period, then we have those photos from from when we completed the project. Even down the road, 6 months, a year after a storm, it's completely fine to have your roof inspected. Most of the time insurance will cover it even a year out. So if you have a leak or a problem or you're concerned about your roof, give us a call. We'll come out, we'll inspect your roof. If you don't have any damage, we'll let you know you're good to go. If we find something that's a problem, we'll take some photos of it. We'll talk to you about the problem and come up with the most reasonable solution, whether that's us repairing it and putting together a repair estimate or filing a claim and getting the insurance involved and having an adjuster come out and look at it.